Did you know the average person uses up to 100 rolls of toilet paper every year? It's a household essential we rarely think about, until we run out. But did you know that choosing the right toilet paper can impact your comfort, your budget, and even the planet? With so many options, ultra-soft, eco-friendly, or budget-friendly, finding the perfect one can feel overwhelming. Let's break it down so you can make the best choice for your household. First, think about comfort. Softness matters. Look for 2-ply or 3-ply rolls that feel gentle on the skin while offering strength to avoid tearing. High-quality options strike the perfect balance between softness and durability. Next, let's talk sustainability. Recycled toilet paper is an eco-friendly choice that reduces environmental impact. Look for certifications like FSC or chlorine-free to ensure the product is responsibly sourced and processed. Value is another key factor. Check the cost per sheet, not just per roll, and consider buying in bulk to save money. Some premium brands may seem expensive but last longer due to better strength and absorbency. If you have sensitive skin or a septic system, look for hypoallergenic or septic-safe toilet paper. These options protect your plumbing and provide gentle care for your skin. Some great brands to consider are Tork, known for its soft, sustainable products, Livi for eco-friendly and affordable options, and Matthews, which combines comfort with environmental responsibility. Choosing the right toilet paper is about more than convenience. It's about balancing comfort, sustainability, and value to make a smarter choice for your home and the planet. Take a moment to explore your options and find the perfect roll for your household today.